Greetings everyone, yours fame of meeting, Dark Candle. In this video, the third and the last part of terminology, we're going to learn some new more advanced words related to blockchain. So keep up with us and let's make invisible to inevitable. The first word, DLT, which stands for Distributed Ledger Technology. It's a technology that allows data to be stored across multiple locations rather than on a single centralized server. Blockchain is a specific type of DLT where data is organized in blocks. Blockchain is a decentralized distributed ledger that records transactions across many computers. It ensures that records cannot be altered retroactively without the consensus of the network, providing security and transparency. Decentralization refers to the distributed of control away from a central authority. In a decentralized network, no single entity has control over the entire system, enhancing security and reducing the risk of manipulation. Crypto, which is short for cryptocurrency, refers to the digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They operate on blockchain technology and are designed to work as a medium of exchange. What is Genesis block? Genesis block is the first block in a blockchain. It serves as a foundation for all subsequent blocks and transactions in that blockchain. For example, Bitcoin Genesis block was made in January 3rd, 2009. Do you know what is the node in crypto? A node is any computer that participates in a blockchain network. Nodes can validate transactions, maintain copies of the blockchain, and contribute to network security. Well, who is miner? A miner is a participant in a blockchain network who validates and processes transactions by solving complex mathematical problems. In return, they are rewarded with cryptocurrency. Now, what is mining farm? It's a facility that houses multiple mining rigs and hardware, typically optimized for mining cryptocurrencies on a large scale to increase profitability. And transactions are the transfers of cryptocurrency between users recorded on the blockchain. Each transaction includes information about the sender, receiver, and amount transferred. A mining pool is a group of miners who combine their computational resources to increase the chances of successfully mining block. Rewards are shared among participants based on their contribution. Halving is an event in certain cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, where the reward for mining new blocks is cut in half. This occurs approximately every 4 years and is designed to control inflation. A hash is a fixed-length string generated by a hash function from input data. In blockchain, hashes are used to secure data and link blocks together, ensuring integrity. Hash function is a mathematical algorithm that transforms input data into a fixed-size string of characters, which is hash. It ensures that even a small change in the input produces a vastly different hash. Hash rate measures the computational power of a miner or mining network, indicating how many hashes can be computed per second. A higher hash rate increases the chances of successfully mining new blocks. Soft fork is a backward-compatible upgrade to a blockchain that allows non-upgraded nodes to still validate transactions. It usually introduces new rules while maintaining the original blockchain. Hard fork, on the other hand, is a significant and incompatible change for a blockchain protocol that creates a new version of the blockchain. It results in a split, creating two separate chains. Original chain is the main blockchain that existed before a hard fork occurred. It continues to operate under the original set of rules. Forked chain is the new blockchain that is created after a hard fork. It has different rules and protocols compared to the original chain. Original coin is the cryptocurrency that exists on the original chain before a hard fork. For example, Bitcoin is the original coin on the Bitcoin blockchain. Forked coin is the new cryptocurrency that emerges from a hard fork. It usually has its own blockchain and may have different features or governance. Oracles are third-party services that provide external data to smart contracts on a blockchain. They act as a bridge between the blockchain and the real world, enabling smart contracts to respond to real-time events. DApps, or decentralized applications, are applications that run on a decentralized network, usually on a blockchain. They operate without a central authority, promoting transparency and user control. Now, on the other hand, apps or applications are software programs designed to platform specific functions for users. In the context of cryptocurrencies, they can refer to both traditional and blockchain-based applications. Now, proof of work versus proof of stake. Proof of work is a consensus mechanism that requires participants or miners to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and create new blocks. It secures the network against attacks but can be energy intensive. On the other hand, proof of stake is a consensus mechanism where validators are chosen to create new blocks based on the number of coins they hold or are willing to stake as collateral. It is more energy efficient than proof of work and encourages long-term holding. Now, do you think which one is better? Thanks for staying with us, and I hope you enjoyed and learned the most. In the next video, be profitable and keep it up.